For this example, we have absolute value of 7 plus x divided by 2. All of that is greater than or equal to 4. And when you have something like this, you can just multiply the 2 up to the 4. Right? So really this is absolute value of 7 plus x greater than or equal to 8. Now, why can we do this? Well, you know, that was pretty brazen there to just jump in like that. So let's talk a little bit more about that. We can break up absolute values like this, and then absolute value of 2 is just 2. So that indeed gives us that, and then multiply both sides by 2. That's how we get our absolute value of 7 plus x greater than or equal to 8. So this is more, and the absolute value is on the left-hand side. So I'm going to use more means or. More means or, which tells us the following. This gives us 7 plus x greater than or equal to 8. I just dropped the absolute value there. Or, okay, now I'm just going to rewrite it, 7 plus x. I change the direction of the inequality, less than or equal to, and I tack on a negative, negative 8. All right, and then we go from there, subtract the 7 from both sides, x greater than or equal to 1, or subtract the 7 from both sides again, x less than or equal to negative 15. All right, so here's our graph notation. And sometimes you can just jump straight to interval notation. You have to see what the example is asking for. So let's do the graph notation here. So let's see, it looks like it starts at 1 and goes off. It's stuff bigger than 1. Okay, and we're going to include 1 in there. This time I want to fill it in. Right, this is a way. You could do a hard bracket, or you could fill in this circle and then go off to the right. Okay, so let's do that. So off we go to the great beyond infinity. Okay, and now we start at negative 15. And here we go. I'll do a closed-in circle again because this has the equals on it. This is what I mean. This is why I'm filling in my circles. And then we're going to go down from there, down to negative infinity. Okay. All right. And all the OR problems will look this way. Okay, so when you see a greater than, you're thinking, okay, it's going to be this deal that goes off in both directions and leaves a gap in the middle. Let's convert this to interval notation. We'll go negative infinity. So I'm just reading left to right, okay, to negative 15. All right, it stops at negative 15, so I'm going to stop it there. I'm doing a hard bracket because I include the point. I union over this gap in the middle here, union over that, start again at 1, and again I'm going left to right, go off to infinity. So negative infinity is always going to be the leftmost, number, or I guess if we call it a number in this interval notation, and positive infinity will always be the rightmost, I guess, term in this interval notation. There we go.